Discussion here. Thank you very much, Ambrish, Jay, and of course, Jigar. Thank you very much for dropping by. Appreciate your time here, as always, on CNBC TV18. You know, we are ending with about a 30-point cut. So, like the interim budget, it's a very interim kind of a close as well. Right? Well,
let's wrap up the markets then, Prashant. You know, with all the day's action. So today, for the entire day, we moved in a band of close to around 170 points, 160 points or thereabouts, approximately. And from there, in fact, we ended more or less flattish. Well, in terms of stocks that were in focus in today's trading session, you had Maruti, that was one of the big gainers in trade today. You had Cipla as well, that was up and about in today's trading session. And Eicher Motors, that's been a rank outperformer for this week itself. On the losing end, well, a couple of these domestic-facing themes as well did see some selling. So whether it was UltraTech Cement that was under some pressure, you had JSW as well that did see some selling in trade. Titan came out with its numbers. Well, the stock was a little bit under pressure in trade. And you had L&T as well that was down in today's trading session. From the broader market, the stock that was really in focus was Paytm. It got a rap on the knuckles from the RBI, and that one, in fact, went home with a cut of close to around 20%. And a couple of these lenders as well, Indiabulls Housing Finance, Fusion Micro, both of them were down more than 10%. And there were two stocks that were reacting even to negative news flow. One was Pharma because of reports of, a visit from the US FDA, from the regulators out there. So that was under some pressure. And you had India Cements because the ED, well, they had visited them. So both those two go home with some cuts. So to wrap things up, well, we moved in a band of close to around 200 points approximately in today's trading session. But, we ended with a mild cut of around 15 to around 20 points out, guys.
Okay, well, that wraps up the market. Bank Nifty, I guess, was the shining star. It managed to retain most of the gains over there, and we'll see if there's any further continuity. But otherwise, midcap setting, I think just the market digesting the event, letting it get out of the way, and then perhaps taking a fresh start from tomorrow.
Absolutely. You know, historically what happens is if there's a big move on the budget day, you get a move in that same direction, up or down, over the next 1 month. But today, this is nothing, right? I mean, this is absolutely flat kind of a close. So neither here nor there. But I think it's goodbye from all of us here on closing bell. But the coverage will continue here on CNBC TV18. In just a moment from now. Stay with us.
Thank you for watching us on CNBC TV18. For all news and updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch us on all social media platforms.